tow trucker back, man. We're back over here at the same property. They got a lot of cars over here. This place has got 50-something cars, man, that are in violation. Anyway, it is what it is. This one here with 3 flats on it. Property said it's got to go. Somebody's got "Do Not Tow" on the sticker on the inside of their vehicle. But that don't really mean anything to the office. They told me to tow it, so we gotta load it up, man. See what happens. All right, talk to the office, man. Whoever gave you that sticker, man, they should have gave it to you.
That came from the office.
Yeah.
That's how I got the sticker.
I just left the office. I just left there. I just left the office, man. She said the one with three flat tires to get it. I'm not trying to be mean to you.
Nah, what I'm telling you is that sticker came from the office. Will be on it. It wasn't from the office.
Somebody made a mistake. I just left. Hey, listen. If you want to talk to them, call up there and talk to them. And somebody made a mistake, they might. I don't know what they'll do. But I just left the manager's office. That's fine. I'm not hard on it. In this particular instance right here, somebody in the office made a mistake. They told this gentleman he could keep his car here, and they didn't notify the managers, or they didn't update the tow list. In a situation like this right here, we do drop cars at the request of the property managers if somebody makes a mistake in the office, but we don't do that on a regular basis. We discourage them from from not coordinating with their personnel. But somebody gave this guy an orange sticker to put inside of his car, and he wrote on the sticker, "Do not tow." But the managers told me they didn't know anything about it, to tow the car with 3 flat tires, get it off the property, because that's why we're here. So I loaded the car, and now he's on the phone with the office trying to straighten out what the problem is and how he came to be given permission to have the car on property. So we're gonna see how it plays out. I may have to drop the car. If I do, I do. But there's, like I said, there's 50-something cars on this property, and we don't want to upset the management because we hold the contract to tow this property. So we got to do what they want us to do. Anyway, we'll see how it works.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you able to release the car?
I can. I mean, we tow for y'all. If you requested me to drop it, I can drop it.
Okay,
there is a lot of cars here. Just encourage your personnel to coordinate with you.
Yeah, for his, you can drop his, but the rest of them you can tow.
Okay, you got it. I'll back up and drop his, and he did tell me he's been calm the whole time. He didn't come out yelling. He came out, professional, and he. Okay. I'll go ahead and drop it.
All right, thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you.
All right.
Hey there. I'm rolling in over here to this complex here, and they've got, evidently they got some fire lane violators over here, so we'll see what happens. It's after 5 o'clock, so they're going to be people here. This is probably going to be a little bit confrontational, I would imagine, at this time of day. Anyway, we'll see what happens. That no parking fire lane sign right there. Anyway. This right here is this is property right here. It's had some a lot of burglaries, man, a lot of crime in here. It's one of those properties that really got to be careful if you're towing out of here. Never know what you're gonna run into over here. So you gotta be real careful, watch your back. Anyway, way it goes. One, two. Uh-oh. Looks like we got one we're gonna have to tow. Been sticking 3 times, man. This guy's had plenty of time, plenty of warnings, man. Guess he didn't get towed the last 3 months in a row. Anyway, let's get it. Uh-oh. Looks like we got another one, man. This guy pulled the sticker off. Pulled the sticker off his car, man, and he ain't got no month decal on his North Carolina plate, man. So gotta load it up, man. See what happens. Hello, car's got a bad tag on it. Excuse me? On it. Excuse me? On it. Excuse me? Car's got a bad tag on it. Ain't no decal on the tag, man.
What decal? What's that?
See this sticker right here?
What's that?
See the sticker right there?
Yeah, the guy stopped by yesterday.
Yeah.
That was
They don't have tags.
I can't correct an issue.
Who's the sheriff?
I.
Okay, well listen, let me tell you the way this works. I'm not hooked to your car.
Yeah, he was by yesterday.
You're gonna have to talk to the office. I'm not hooked to it.
Yeah, I'll ask you.
Okay, just talk to the office, all you gotta do.
Okay.
I'm not hooked. If I was hooked, you'd have to pay.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, he's just lucky, lucky I never got a chain on it. Or he'd be paying, man. I don't care if he's sheriff or not, man.